Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build a Slack workflow. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, all you will be needing to do is to go to the workflow page so we can start building our workflows. And to do so, we will be needing just to go to the side menu or sidebar here, and then we can go to more. From here, we will find like automations. As you can see, it will allow us to start create and find workflows and apps. And basically, automations are workflows. Now we can simply click on workflows, and then you can either choose from a template because already you will find several templates that will uh, clear already most of the things that anyone would need, or you can simply click on create a workspace so you can start creating one from scratch. So here it will take us to the workflow creation page, and basically each workflow would have three elements. It will have like a starting, events, and actions, and basically an end. The starting event means what would make this or what would trigger this workflow. For example, let's just make for a schedule. When we go to the schedule or when we reach this date, we want to do something. And let's just make it once and we click on continue. Now we have the starting. Now we want to add like the action that would be done by this workflow. For example, we wanted to start sending messages, and basically we need just to click send a message to a channel as an example, and from here you choose a channel, and we want it to send hello. Now we click on save, and basically you can add as many steps as you'd like, and then you will need just to save your workflow by clicking on finish up. Then you click on finish up, you give it a name, you can give it a description and choose like the permission for this workflow and then click on publish. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.